In this video, you're going to watch me trade ticker CLRO going into market open for a quick 15% move. So I live trade with all of my one-on-one students every single day, Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. all the way till 12 p.m. EST. And one of the reasons why these one-on-one students come to me, especially the ones that are trading with larger portfolios, is because I went through the hard work of back testing over 3,909 momentum stock breakouts over the past 15 plus months. Because I don't like gambling with my money. I got an 8-month-old baby girl. I got a wife. And I don't know about you, but I don't have a crystal ball. I'm sure you don't either, which means in this moment, the best way that I can make a decision for myself and for my family is based off of historical data. And by going through and filtering through all of those different variables like free flow, market cap, time of day, what the 5-minute candle does, what the 1-minute candle does, I've been able to find setups like this, where over the past 122 trades, 85 of them have run for at least 15% with a win rate of around 69%. Now, I want to explain to you, and this kind of gets into what I teach my one-on-one students, how this dashboard is set up and how I use this. I use this, number one, to identify if I even have an edge at all. But number two, I also use this to identify where the best place to put my take profit. And here's where most of you guys are probably messing up, especially if you guys are trading with over $10,000 in your account. I want you to take a look at the default values that I have here. So the default values are 15, 30%, and 40%. So I can easily just compare those three. But right here, I can actually type in a customized number as well. Now I want you to notice the net profit difference. If you go into every single trade with a $10,000 position size at a 15% take profit, if you execute it perfectly, your net profit would be $53,500. Now look at the difference with a 30% take profit. You're only making around $16,000. Your setup, your strategy could be profitable. It's just you have your take profit in the wrong spot. If this type of stuff is interesting to you and you are trading with a 10K plus portfolio and you can see how this would be beneficial to your trading, you can click the link down below to learn a little bit more, and you can actually book a call with me to see if this is a good fit. With that being said, enjoy the live trading session because I actually show you that it can be identified and it can be done in real time as well. As far as opportunities to look at, did I miss a breakout CLRO? Oh my goodness. It broke out right at 905. Oh no, it looks like it was a green light special. Let me double check that level, make sure it was up 17% or more. Was it? It was up 17.4%. Oh no. So where was I supposed to get in at? 905, 906. I was supposed to get in at 881. CLRO. I don't know if Jake, one of y'all saw this. I should have had my alert. Oh, Turbo Trader. Okay, we're pulling back here. So let me, geez Louise. Where would my stop loss have been? So I'm gonna get in right here, guys. Yeah, I'm getting in. All right, so I just hopped in. I got filled at 851. So obviously I'm getting filled at a better price than what I should have got in at. I should have got in at 881. I'm supposed to take this trade 100%. I just got filled at 851. So my correct stop loss on this bad boy from where I was supposed to get in at, and that's exactly what I'm going to be using from the level I was supposed to get in at, is going to be at 704. So my stop loss is going to be at 704. Obviously we're in pre-market here, so I can't set that stop loss and take profit. And then for my take profit, for my mental take profit, where I'm going to be hitting the sell button, it's going to be at 1014. So this will work out well if this ends up being a winner for me. I'm going to get more than 15% because I got in lower. I got filled at 851. It'll be close to a 19% winner for me. But yeah, I am in at 851. It does look like this 5-minute candle is going to close red, which is really not a good sign for us. But this is a trade that, this is my setup. I got to take these, and I almost missed it. So again, guys, I am in CLRO. I got in at 851. I got filled at 851. I was supposed to get in at 881. And just to show you guys what I mean, this is the breakout level. 5-minute candle closes above it right here. You switch over to the 1-minute time frame. The 905 and 906 candle both need to be green. This is the 905 candle. This is the 906 candle. As you can see, this is the close of that candle at 881. So that's where we were supposed to get in at. Made that pop up and then got rejected here. Ended up getting filled at 851 on this pullback right here. So We shall see. Give us a winner. Give us an early morning winner, CLRO. Again, my take profit is going to be up there at 1014. If it keeps moving up like this, I'm actually going to go over to classic trade, sell limit order 100%, and just go ahead and set a sell limit order up there at 1014. Make sure trading hours include extended hours. What I like to do if I'm green in the position, just so you guys remember, in pre-market, if we're green in the position, you can set your sell limit order on, whatever stock you're in. That way, if it pops up really quick to that price, you'll get filled on it. If you're red in the position, I wouldn't worry about setting sell limit order because you want to have your finger on the sell at bid button, right? And the reason why, if you're down in the position, you don't want to have a sell limit order is because if you try to click the sell at bid button and you try to sell your position, Weeble's going to give you an error message. It's not going to let you sell. It's going to make you cancel that limit order first. So when I'm green in the position, I'm comfortable. I can have a sell limit order set. If I'm red in the position, I obviously want to just have my finger on the sell at bid button. Being that I got in at 851 and I'm currently green on it, I am going to go ahead and set a sell limit order at 1014. So classic trade, sell, limit, 100% quantity. Make sure you have 100% quantity if you're going to sell it or set this order, because obviously you want to sell all of it. So if it pops up there super quick, hopefully it'll fully exit me out of this position. Jake, man, I don't know. Quantity turned off, everything turned off, and it still won't buy. Dude, I'd have to see your screen to see exactly what's going on. Did you try exiting out and then coming back? Like completely exiting out of Weeble and coming back? If you haven't tried that, obviously try that. You can right click on your Turbo Trader details really quick and just double check that include extended hours is turned on. If none of that works, Jake, what I would do is just go over to the classic trade option and just manually put in a buy limit order and just put it at the current price it's trading at. It's currently trading at 880 right now, kind of bouncing back and forth. And then once you set your buy limit order, you can move it on your chart up and down need be. And it should feel you that way. I don't know what's going on with your Turbo Trader right now. But go over to Classic Trade, buy, limit, put in your dollar amount, and then just put the price that it's currently trading at. I would just put 882 right now and try and get filled at the current price. Make sure trading hours include extended hours. That should work. Yeah, if you already submitted it, whatever price you submitted it at, if it's below that price, you should get filled immediately. Yeah, again, I would hope Jake wouldn't make that mistake, but also too, Jim just made a good point. Make sure stop loss and take profit is turned off, guys. That's always a no-no in pre-market. Jake, don't you don't you tell me you had stop loss and take profit turned on. Dude, you put in a market order. That's a market order, Jake. You got to do buy limit. We're in pre-market. You got to cancel that market order. We're in pre-market, brother. It's before 9:30. We're green in CLRO, which is great for now. But again, just keep in mind, expectation-wise, expectations are so important. Don't get yourself overly excited. It's going to be volatile. It's going to move up. It's going to move down. It might get close to our take profit and then pull back. You guys know the deal. Here's another stock that could be a possible play. It could be a possible quickie play if it breaks out with enough volume. TOVX. TOVX. So make sure you guys set an alert right there, 29 cents. I hope it doesn't break out right now. It's got to break out after 9:30 to be considered a quickie, but unfortunately it looks like it's going to break out right now. And the reason why I don't want it to break out right now is because the free float is a bit too high to be playing it as a green light special. The free float's 45 million. Still watching CLRO, obviously. CLRO is moving up nicely, just touched 968. TOVX does look like it is going to breakout, which is unfortunate. 6 more minutes until market open. If we're still in this position for CLRO going into market open, just so you guys know typically what I like to do, I just cancel my sell limit order and then I just set my stop loss and take profit. And the easiest way to do that on Webull, if you hover over your position on your chart, where it says position, it'll tell you how many shares you got. Just hover your mouse over that and then you can pull your stop loss and pull your take profit to where you want it to be. And the reason why I do that is because, if I'm in market hours, I want to have my stop loss set. Obviously, I'm in this trade. I don't have a stop loss set, so I feel a bit naked here. So after market open, 9:30, if we're still in this trade, cancel that sell limit order, quickly set my stop loss and take profit. And yeah, then we'll be good to go from there. All right, guys, we got 20 seconds here until market open. Obviously, this is the big level. We had hit 968. We just touched 969. Will we have enough buying pressure to continue up and hit that 1014 level where our take profit is at? So market is now open. Being that we're so close to 1014, I'm just, whoa, dude, I got filled at 1014. Whoa. Did you guys just get filled at 1014? So it just sold me at 1014. My candlesticks have not hit 1014 yet, but I don't know if you guys heard that go ding, it went off. It just sold me at 1014. Did you guys get out? Did you guys get filled? That was odd. So I don't know if the candlesticks are just kind of lagging a little bit behind the true bid and ask there, but we got out, full TP hit. It looks like it only hit 1010 right here on Weeble Desktop is showing 1013, but I got filled at 1014 and I can see that inside of my orders. So yeah, well, Weeble now is showing the highs 1017. So okay, I'll take it. I'm glad I didn't cancel my limit order there. Yeah, my candle is now showing 1017 high as well. So I think it just took a second for the candles to update.